Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you two different ways how to lock your screen and unlock Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now, if you like keyboard shortcuts, all you need to do is hold down the Windows key and L, and that will quickly lock your screen. Now, to unlock it, you need to press on the screen either with your touchpad or your mouse. And now you'll need to enter your PIN. Now the second way of doing that is pressing the Windows Start button here on your desktop toolbar. Then you won't press the power button here, you'll actually press your name here. So press your name and you'll see here lock. And we can lock the screen like that. Again, you'll need to press the screen if you want to log back in and enter your password. So that's two different ways how to lock the screen and then unlock it in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.